Hi, everyone. My name is Nicole Riddy. I currently work as a KUA case manager. We are a provider agency that is contracted through Philadelphia's Department of Human Services, and we provide the same ongoing casework that DHS used to provide. They no longer provide ongoing casework. They now do intakes, investigations, and different things like that. So we do the ongoing work with the families. That is my current role where I do encounter many parents and many children who have mental health conditions. Um, and we work with the different agencies and clinics and health centers in our neighborhoods to provide them all of the proper treatment and care that they need in order to manage a healthy and natural lifestyle. When working with our children, we implement services in school. We implement therapeutic services, medication, psychiatric services. I've had many encounters where I've had to 302 children. Um, we closely manage their medication. Um, and there are often times that our children are put at a SBH level of foster care, which is a treatment level of foster care. That is with foster parents who are able to take more problematic children, children with behavioral issues, children with mental health conditions, mental health illnesses, children who are actively on medication or we are in the works of getting them on medication, and children who have special therapeutic services needs. Um, so I don't typically work with a treatment team to make DSM-5 diagnoses. Um, I am more on the reactive end of it. I work with my teams, um, with my clients who have already had their diagnoses made. Um, and so I'm actually really looking forward to this class um, because it'll be my first exposure to using the DSM-5 and making diagnoses. Um, and so I'm also hoping that with my field work and my internships while taking this program, that I will be able to work with clinicians and practitioners using the DSM-5 to make diagnoses. Um, that's all for now. Good luck, everyone.